am the student of BS Economics second semester. Today we will discuss the topic of marketing research process. Marketing research and introduction. Every marketer need marketing research and most large company have their own marketing research department. Marketer research involve a fourth process. The first process consists of the manager and researcher carefully defining the problem and setting the research objective. The objective may be exploratory, descriptive or COIL. The second step consists of developing the research plan for collecting data. Primary data collection call for choosing a research approach, observation, survey, experiment, choosing a contact method, mail, telephone, personal, designing a sampling plan, whom to survey, how many to survey, and how to choose them, and developing research instrument. Questionnaire mechanical. The third step consists of implementing the marketer research plan by collecting, process, and analyzes the information. The fourth step consists of interpreting and reporting the finding. Further information analysis help marketer manager to apply the develop more ignorance finding from the information. Some marketers face special marketing research considerations such as conducting research in small business, non-profit or international situation. Marketing research can be conducted effectively by small organization with small budget. International market research follow the same step of domestic research but often face map from challenge problem. All organizations need to understand the major public policy and ethics issues surrounding marketing research. Use application of research in marketing. Making is currically processed in all type of organization. This decision making required the information that is collected and acquired through the marketing research process. This information can be regarding customer, company or competitor or the other environment factor. Major uses of the marketing research in the organization are as follows. Type: measurement of marketing potential, analysis of market share, determination of market character, sale analysis, product testing, forecasting, study of business trend, study of competitor product. The marketing रिसर्च प्रोसेस, इसमें थोड़े से प्रोसेस आ जाते हैं. डिफाइनिंग द प्रॉब्लम एंड रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव, डेवलपिंग द रिसर्च प्लान, इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द रिसर्च प्लान एंड इंटरप्रेटिंग एंड रिपोर्टिंग द फाइंडिंग. Diagram: a problem definition and the research objective, developing the research plan, implementation, interpreter and report of finding. Step 1. Market management must know enough about market research to help planning in the interpret research result. Defining the problem research objective is often the hardest step in process. Exploratory research, where the object is to gather preliminary information that will help to better define problem and suggest hypothesis for their solution. Descriptive research is there the intent is to describe things such as marketer perception of a product on the demographic and attitude of customer who buy the product. COIL research, it is research to test hypothesis about COIL and affect relationship. The statement of the problem and research objective will guide the entire research process. It is always best to put the problem and research objective statement in the writing so agreement can be reached and everyone know direction of the research effort. Developing research plan. In developing research plan, the attempt is to determine information needed, outline source of secondary data, develop a plan for gathering efficient, the presenting the plan in market management. The plan spell out specific research approaches, contact method, sampling plan and instrument that teacher will use gather new data. The firm should know what data already exist before the process of collecting new begin. The step that should be followed are developing the involved are the following: determine specific information needed, gathering secondary information, planning primary data collection. The first step research objective are translated into specific information. For example, determine their demography, economy, lifestyle characteristic of a target audience. Second, gathering secondary information. Secondary information is already exists somewhere having been collected for another purpose. Source of secondary data include both internal and external sources. Companies can buy secondary data, report outstanding supplier. Commercial data sources information can be obtained by using commercial and database. Example include computer server, Dialog and Nexus. Many of these sources are free. Advantage of secondary story data include point other point इसके टेलीफोन इंटरव्यू, गुड मेथड ऑफ कलेक्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन क्विकली, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू which can be either individually, computer interviewing, उसके बाद फर्दर पॉइंट आ गए हैं, उसके बाद रिसर्च अप्रोचेज आ गई हैं। रिसर्च अप्रोचेज में सेकेंड पॉइंट है सर्वे रिसर्च इज़ द गैदरिंग ऑफ प्राइमरी डाटा ऑफ आस्किंग पीपल क्वेश्चन अबाउट देयर नॉलेज, एटीट्यूड, परफॉर्मेंस or buying behavior. Survey research is the best situated gathering descriptive information. Survey research is the most widely used for primary data collection. The major advantage of the approach is flexible, while the disadvantage include the respondent being unwilling to respond, giving inaccurate answer, or unwilling to spend this time to answer. Third point, experiment research involve the gathering of primary data and selecting matched group of subjects, giving them in different treatment, controlling related factor, and checking for different group responses. Research instrument in collection primary data market research have a choice of two main research instruments, the questionnaire and mechanical devices. The questionnaire is by far and most common instrument where administrated is person by phone or online. Questionnaire are very flexible. There are many ways to ask question. However, they must develop carefully and test before they can be used on large scale. A careless prepared questionnaire use contains several errors. The form of each question can influence response. Market research distribution between closed-end question and open-end question. Closed-end question include all the possible answer and subject make choices among them. Example include multiple choices question and scales choices. Open question allow respond to answer in their own word. Open question often reveal more than closed-end question because respondents are not limited in their answers. Open question are specially used in